Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on and connecting to Wi-Fi. This gives the Chromebook access to your Google account and system updates. Once done, sign in with your Google account so settings, Drive files, and extensions can sync automatically. Make sure to set language and time zone and enable any accessibility features you need now. That prevents redoing steps later. This first boot establishes identity, network, and update access, the foundation for apps, App Store, and secure browsing that follow. Once updated, open Settings and review accounts, privacy, and device sections, keeping OS current fixes bugs and improves performance. Next, install only essential apps from the Play Store or Chrome Web Store to avoid clutter. Prioritize offline-capable apps and extensions you trust. Make sure Google Drive is set for backup and sync or files integration so your data is accessible. Finally, add printers or external displays via settings right arrow connected. You finish by customizing power, sleep, and privacy preferences so battery and security match your routine. Enable Smart Lock for phone-based unlocking for convenience. Once done, create additional user profiles or enable guest mode if others will use the device. If something goes wrong, apps misbehaving, strange performance, or login problems, perform a power wash, factory reset, after backing up Drive. This clears configuration-level issues quickly. If power wash fails, use recovery media to reinstall Chrome OS and restore a clean baseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.